Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study math. First, establish a consistent study routine. Try to dedicate 20 to 30 minutes each day to math practice, rather than long sessions once a week. Find a quiet, organized space where you can focus without interruptions. Before diving into new topics, quickly review what you learned in your last session to keep concepts fresh in your mind and build a strong foundation. Next, focus on truly understanding the why behind math concepts, not just memorizing formulas or steps. If you're learning about fractions, for example, visualize them with drawings or physical objects. Don't be afraid to use diagrams or other visual aids to help you grasp complex problems. A great way to solidify your understanding is to explain a concept aloud, either to yourself or to someone else, as if you are teaching it. Consistent practice is key to improving your math skills. Make sure to complete all your assigned homework and consider doing extra practice problems in areas where you feel less confident. It's important to identify exactly what you don't understand, rather than just saying, "I don't get it." Don't hesitate to ask your teacher, a parent, or another trusted adult for help when you encounter a problem you can't solve. They are there to support your learning. Finally, make reviewing a regular part of your study routine. Going back over older topics helps reinforce your learning and ensures you don't forget what you've already mastered. Remember to celebrate your small successes along the way. A positive attitude can make a big difference in your math journey. Keep practicing, stay curious, and know that every effort helps you grow. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to this book and other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.